Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Manus AI account. So if you're looking for a way how to get access to Manus AI, this really powerful AI, then this is how you get it. Simply open up your browser, guys, and you simply want to type in Manus AI. Now, once you do that, you will find the first option in the list from your Google results, manus.im. Manus AI, head over there, and here you can basically check out this amazing video of this guy here introducing how powerful Manus actually is. It's really incredible. So I would suggest that you check it out. Also come here and check out some of those incredible use cases as well. And of course, you can go ahead and you can read more. You can also check out the space, his gallery and so forth, right? Check out the benchmark, how powerful it is as well. Simply mind blowing. Now, how to get started and how to create an account is not as easy as or straightforward. It is as straightforward as is, but it's not as easy as just sign in and that's it. What you have to do, click get started. And here you have to request access. Yeah, you get it right. You have to request access and wait on the wish list, right? So all you have to do, just simply click request access and fill out your details. So you want to fill out your email, and all you have to do is just go ahead and fill out the necessary info here. So you need your email address. You need to say how you will use Manus AI, your profession, your email, your work email. If you have one, you can use basically the same email as well. And you want to share your social media accounts. In my case, I'm just put the link to my YouTube channel. And all you have to do is just simple click and submit. And here it just basically tells you that they will notify you by email once you they will notify you by email once a decision has been made. If you get accepted, you will receive a code that you simply need to enter in to be able to get access to Manus AI. And that's it, guys. It can take hours, it can take a couple of days, who knows, but that's the only way how to get access to Manus AI. So you just have to keep your email and watch and just wait for that email to come with that activation code. And then once you get that, you just simply need to go ahead and head back over to Manus AI, click get started, and then enter that activation code and then hit get started. Once you have that, then you're golden. You'll be able to access Manus AI.